Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for you, the top 5 amazing facts about trending shorts that will change your life. Let's get started. Fact number 1, trending shorts are dominating the YouTube algorithm. That's right. YouTube now prioritizes short and highly engaging videos. So, if you want to thrive on the platform, it's time to focus on videos up to 60 seconds long. And the best part is that you can create incredible content in less time. Fact number 2, trending shorts are perfect for capturing new audiences. Since they're short and dynamic, users are more likely to watch and share them with friends. So, make sure your video is unique and engaging. Fact number 3, the secret to going viral with trending shorts lies in quality and consistency. It's not enough to just produce short videos, they must be relevant and entertaining. Additionally, maintaining a posting frequency helps increase your reach and engagement. Fact number 4, use trending shorts to experiment with new formats and niches. Since the videos are short, you can test different types of content and see what works best for your audience. This can open doors to new opportunities and boost your channel. And finally, fact number 5, trending shorts are a great way to monetize your content. YouTube is investing more and more in ads for short videos, which means you can increase your revenue with this new trend. So, don't waste time and start producing your own trending shorts.